Hello, crafters. I am back from vacation and I'm ready to get started on working on some projects. But first of all, I wanted to share with you my design team package from KSCraft, and they also sent me a very special Christmas gift from them and Nicole Papercraft. So I'm so excited to share this with you. So first of all, let's get started with the Valentine's dies because that's what we're getting into. Now, you don't have to specifically use these for Valentine's. Love is never ending. I mean, it can be any holiday, right? So, but let me share this with you first. So we have this really cute, super cute diamond shaker die, and it is just adorable. So you have your base piece and then you have your layering piece. And it also comes with two sentiments, which they are the same sentiment. They're just in different sizes, and so that's really awesome. We have Galentine. Isn't that cute? So that is by Nicole, and it's just super adorable. We also have this really super cute gnome die, and it is just adorable. And I'm thinking maybe Nicole made this, but I will double check, and I'll have all the dies by Nicole listed below separately. But this has the be mine, the love, little balloons, and then of course the cute little different gnome hats with the hearts. Just adorable. I love the little Cupid arrow because I'm telling you, with the little balloon, I'm telling you, this really looks like something Nicole would design. But since I've been on vacation, I haven't really watched any YouTube videos, so I will get back with you on that. But I do know that she did make this, and it is super cute. It is a heart globe shaker, and it is really adorable. And inside, I'm sorry for the crinkling. I just want to, I think it says, yes, it says I love you. Isn't that adorable? Super cute. Adorable, adorable. Sorry, let me put the bags together because if I don't, I will lose it. And then also, this can be used for anything, but I do think that it is both Valentine as well as Halloween or any kind of holiday. It can even be for birthdays because they're cute little candy treats. Aren't they adorable? And I think one of them, and it looks like it for sure, is a shaker. So I love it. Super duper cute. Then we also have these adorable coffee cups that have the little heart handle. Isn't that adorable? And then it also has a little heart on the handle of the spoon. So that's really cute. So you get two different sizes, all right? So you can choose which one you want to order or get both, because I know I would. And then we also have two different size heart edge die. So when you're creating your mini albums, you can have a little edge on your heart or with hearts or your planner. And then I like to keep the hearts to use them in projects for something else. And then also we have this super cute Polygon gift bag or gift box that was designed by Nicole Papercrafts as well. And on YouTube, she's Nicole Silhouette, so I'll have her links down below. But isn't this cute? And it looks like it comes with several cute, adorable tags in here. So I can't wait to do a tutorial on this. I'm super excited about that. And then this one, I absolutely love. This is also designed by Papercrafts. This is a super cute angel dress. And then they also stage. I know a lot of us do that. So I thought these would be really cute if you did the dresses in pink and reds and whites. It would be super adorable. Then we also have these retro photo slides. This was also designed by Nicole, and it was really funny because I was like, Nicole, can you make some vintage photo slides? And she goes, done already. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's so crazy. So, you know, we kind of had the same mind track, and I just love it. But anyway, so this is a smaller one, and this is a larger one. Definitely plenty of room to put a photo in here, and it also is a shaker as well. So love that. And then I'm pretty sure she designed this as well. This is a cute little rocking horse memory deck die. You could use this for a little girl's birthday. You could use it for people who love horses. You could use this as a baby you know, gift as well. So love that. Then also we have this as our gift to us. So I apologize. This is not available in the shop. This is a Viewmaster slide, and I had also asked Nicole to make one of these, and I just love how she's got the little doily on there, and then she has the little extra windows as layering pieces, and this is a layering piece too, and it says because you are special, and I love that. So that is super cute. Anyway, thank you so much, Nicole, Adam, and Hannah. I absolutely love it. We also have this super cute Memory Decks coffee pot. Isn't that adorable? And it comes with the layering pieces and, of course, the piece to turn it into a memory deck. So I love that. And you could also make it a shaker as well. We also have a few more, and I'm going to show you one that I also purchased on Amazon. I have a few other things coming that I ordered, but this is from my design team. I really love these cute little Starbucks cups. Okay, I don't know if they're specifically Starbucks designed, but they don't have the Starbucks logo or anything like that. But you probably could create your own small little logo on the inside, or any kind of logo, to be honest with you. So we have the smaller cup and we have the larger one. So I just love these. That's super cute. And then we have the little Nintendo Switch. Love it. And it turns into a shaker too. So that is adorable. That was designed by Nicole as well. And I know this one was designed by Nicole as well too. I'm almost 1,000% sure, because she loves making gingerbread, and we just love her making gingerbreads too. So this is a little gingerbread cup, and it is a duplicate, not really duplicate, but it looks almost exactly like the one they sell at Target. And so I just love it. It's so stinking cute. Also, we have some super cute Valentines, or not really Valentines. These are coffee themed, but you could use these for Valentines too. Send somebody like a mug. So this is with that mug set, but you could use this for anything, okay? Any kind of coffee themed thing, or hot chocolate, something like that. So we have Thanks a Latte, coffee and crafts, it looks like. I love that. We also have But First Coffee and Hug and a Mug. And I love how she has the stitching and allows it to be layered. So that is my favorite thing. If I'm going to get sentiments, I definitely want to have the layering ability. And I do love it when the words connect together. But also, I love that these are shaped to where I know where to put the word. Okay, so that just makes it a lot easier. So anyway, super adorable. Now let me get on to what I actually purchased on Amazon before I left, and I didn't even get a chance to use it. So I will be using it for Valentine's because, you know, it's winter themed. But look at this cute little skates. They're ice skates, and it comes with a bunch of little different pieces to decorate it with. So we have heart, stars, we have a little zigzag, and a lightning bolt. So I thought that was really cute. So you have your left and right. Love that, because I've seen it where they don't have both sides. So I hope that next time they remake this a little bit bigger, and I would love to have the layering piece of this one and the bottom, but I absolutely love it. So, guys, I just want to have you check out the new products that I received. And also, I'm going to have all the links down below. Don't forget to visit KSCraft Shop, and also visit Nicole Silhouette's YouTube channel and Nicole Papercraft's Instagram. She also has an Etsy shop as well. So, guys, I hope you'll have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll be seeing you all probably later today with a project, because I'm just so excited to get this. I haven't crafted in 2 weeks. I'm going crazy. Anyway, bye guys.